If you ever logged into your GoHighLevel account and you have no idea how to connect a domain or how to connect it to a funnel or anything like that and get your funnel live, then this video is going to be for you. I'm going to show you today how you can easily connect a domain to your GoHighLevel account, whether you have GoDaddy, Namecheap, Bluehost, Cloudflare, anything that your domain is hosted on, and how to easily connect it to GoHighLevel no matter what. I'll also show you quick ways that you can integrate it right away with GoDaddy, or if you want to manually add it in as a record as well into your GoHighLevel account. My name is Maddie Maines. I own a automation agency. I also am known as the Automation Queen. So here we do all things that have to do with GoHighLevel automations, AI buildouts, NAN workflows, Zapier accounts, you name it. If it has to do with automations and AI, you'll find it here in my channel. Now let's dive on in and get into how to set up a domain. Okay, so now that we're inside of GoHighLevel, make sure that you're in a GoHighLevel account that you own have access. Right now I'm in a white label. So when you're in here, you're gonna come down and you're gonna go down to settings. This will be in any GoHighLevel, whether it's a white label, the one that you own or anything like that. And when you come down in settings, you're gonna come down to domains, here into domains. So inside of here, you can purchase a domain now inside of GoHighLevel. So you could purchase a domain, but here we're going to connect a domain that was not purchased inside of GoHighLevel and was purchased through something else like GoDaddy, Cloudflare, or any of those domain connectors. So up here is going to give you all the different options of where you can connect a domain. Here today, we're going to talk about websites, funnels, and how to connect those. So you're going to click connect, and you're going to type the domain in that you want to connect. So I'm going to connect www.mainsmarketing.com. I'm actually not going to put the www because it will prompt you for that. Press continue. So here we're going to do www, and it's going to say also add www. Yes, that's what you want to recommend, and you're going to press continue. If it is connected to GoDaddy, then it automatically does everything that you want for it, and all you have to do is sign into GoDaddy. But if it's not connected to GoDaddy and it's either with Cloudflare, Namecheap, or any other the domain hosts, then you'll just do add record manually. If you want www and not www connected, so no matter if someone put www or not, then you want to make sure that you add both of these records in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these records and we're now going to log in to our domain account. Now that you're logged into your GoDaddy account, or if you're logged into Cloudflare, or if you're logged into Namecheap, whichever domain that you want to log into, you're going to go in and make sure that you get to your products and you're going to collect the domain product that you want. So Maines Marketing is the domain product that I want. And then here on the left-hand side in GoDaddy, you need to go wherever you need to manage your DNS settings. So I'm going to go to domain, and then I'm going to go to DNS. So this could be in different places, whether it's Namecheap or Cloudflare. Just make sure that you get to the DNS settings. So here in the DNS settings, we're going to scroll down and we're going to add a new record. Add a new record, and in here we're going to add a record called CNAME. Now the CNAME is the record specifically that we're using, so then when someone types in mainsmarketing.com, that is going to be what gets them to the landing page that we want them to get to, or the website page that we want to get to. Here is going to be that name. So the name that we're going to put here is what we copied from GoHighLevel. So you're going to go back to GoHighLevel and make sure that you get the thing that's called host. So you're going to copy the host's name, and that's going to be the www. We're going to put it here. We're going to press paste. And then the value. The value is the link or the terminology that redirects it when it's connected to GoHighLevel. And then we're going to go back, and whatever the recorded value is in the GoHighLevel, you're going to copy and paste it. It should be sites.ludicrous, or ludicrous, however you want to pronounce that. And paste it here, .cloud. Half hour, and then you're going to press save. Once you do this, then you're going to add another record, and you're going to have an A record. The A record is going to be the one that you use that's going to not be the www. And you're going to do @ paste, and then you're going to do the recorded value, copy, and you're going to press paste. And then you're going to save all records. Once you save all records, then they're going to be stored, and I already did this for this one, and you're going to see it down here. All records will be saved, and you'll see them here. CNAME www, site ludicrous.com, and then you'll also see the @ as well. Once that's done, you're going to go back to GoHighLevel. Now that we're back in GoHighLevel, we're going to verify the records. And then it's going to make sure that it's all connected. Here we're going to see under my domains that this is already connected. www mains.marketing. So we're going to manage this and make sure it's good. It says that there's an error happening, so we want to make sure that all the errors are correct. And this is for a different one, so we're good to go. This is all set, mainsmarketing.com. So what you want to do is once it's connected, it's going to prompt you to what you want the default page to be. So the default page means when someone types in yourdomain.com, what page do you want it to show up? Typically it's a home page, maybe it's a direct calendar page. For me, it's my strategy call page. It's the top of your funnel. It could be any page that you particularly want, but this is where they're going to go right away without the backslash on the back of the page. So our default page is this. And if there's a 404 error, you're going to want to select the 404 landing page error, or you don't select anything at all. If there's an error, I always have it go to this page as well. And then I'm going to press save, and then you're going to be all set. To test out your domain, you're going to want to make sure that you come up to the section. You're going to go mainsmarketing.com. And here we are. We know it works and it's ready to go. Sometimes domains can take a little bit of time to populate. So if it doesn't happen right away, just give it a few minutes and it should definitely happen right away for you. Next thing is when you come down into, you go back to sites, you're going to see exactly how this is connected and where this looks as well. So mine is at the top of this calendar page. This is the strategy call. So this is where the URL lives. This is how I know a domain is connected here as well. Under settings, you can always come in here and select the domain under here that you particularly want connected here. And that's how I know that this domain is connected.